Alright, y'all. We should plot some McQueen's recent calls.
And they're sure as hell all unknown, so it's clear that McQueen's working with someone above our personal pay grade.
Like, Fast and Furious type level?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Look, I don't know Lightning as much as better as you guys, but he took out Lieutenant Moore. He stole an EMP, now he's disappeared.
So what do you say?
Maybe we should consider that Lieutenant Moore was right. Lightning did go rogue.
No.
Oh, you think so?
Before you judge the man, remember you're breathing right now because he saved your life.
Oh!
Try the one you can tell you.
Wait. Pull up the Lemons profile. I knew it! I heard about the World Grand Prix incident. This guy's been working with Super Snake the whole time.
So that explains everything. It all makes sense.
You're also leaked someone I would like to forget.
Sarah Pacer, the one who tried to destroy McQueen's life.
And we can't forget about Thunder as well. He tried to steal his life.
So that's 3 times. 3 times McQueen has messed up Super Snake's business. I don't think he turned, guys. This is something deep. Is making me take out the lieutenant necessary?
You could have chose not to, but you did anyways.
The main problem with putting your foot on the tiger's neck is that you can never let it up.
I think I need to remind you why you chose to be here.
You thought you were doing this alone, number 95?
Rapunzel? What are you doing here?
I can't let you do this alone. You're my friend.
Mom. I'm sorry.
You shouldn't have came.
Nothing else will keep me away.
Now she's got the 4 of us. You want to see him?
Monty?
Oh, now he's pregnant. You are just joined the Pacing Cup as a rookie. I figured after you come back from your summer, I was going to tell you. But then she took us before I had the chance.
His name.
We call him Lucas. That's his middle name. He figured his famous older brother should give him his first name. I'm sorry.
This is your fault.
Whatever happens, just say hey, your siblings. Your siblings.
This is a lot more emotional than Doc's death.
You're a brother.
Hey, yo! Get away from the big homie. I got nothing to do with this. It's okay, man. We got your back.
Eine bit shocker, huh? Let me put it simple for you. Since Doomcrusher has the gun, you'll take him out first. I know you. Let me tell you something, McQueen. You gotta make a move. And we're paid an armed weapon to come here. And not just eyes, Ibsen. It's not to save me. It's to kill your brother and sister. Is that a choice you really want to make?
If I electrocute you to death, and God knows I want to, if I killed everyone on this plane, I still can't get in there because of your two-man failsafe system. Since I'm alone, I got no choice.
I didn't think so.
You want to see the old Lightning McQueen? Just watch.
You skank. No.
Sweet dreams.
Please. No.